Sulfites in wine. Ew, gross.
But what are they, and can you get rid of them?
Well, today we're going to review a product that removes sulfites from wine.
Coming up.
The company Üllo was nice enough to send us their wine purifier in order to review it. Now, their wine purifier removes sulfates and aerates wine.
So in today's video, we're going to talk about what sulfites are, we'll talk about what the Üllo product is, and at the end, we'll give our honest opinion on what we think about the product.
And just to be clear, we're not sponsored by this product. Üllo was nice enough to send it to us to give our honest review on it. If you want to check it out, we'll leave an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description.
So let's get into it.
So what are sulfites?
So sulfites are a chemical compound that occurs during the fermentation process. This is a naturally occurring compound. Sulfites are found in various types of foods and drinks. So for example, there's a significant more amount of sulfites in dried fruit than there is compared to wine.
So although sulfites occur naturally during the fermentation process of wine, winemakers typically add sulfites to wine. This is to help preserve the wine. This is because wine is similar to other food and drink and can spoil. Adding extra sulfites to wine helps to prevent oxygen and bacteria from affecting the taste of a wine. Because of this, sulfites help to preserve the wine prior to one drinking it. Also, sulfites are what allow wines to age and taste good after they have aged.
Contrary to popular belief, white wines actually have more sulfates than red wines. However, there is some level of sulfites in all wines.
And some people claim that sulfites can affect the taste of a wine. Some people also claim that sulfites are what can cause some of the headache that you can get after drinking wine, especially a younger wine. So what is the Üllo Wine Purifier?
So the Üllo Wine Purifier is designed to remove sulfates from wine and restore wine to its natural state.
Now, some people also claim that this product can help to prevent that next day headache after drinking wine.
And we would really appreciate that. Üllo comes with 4 filters that are designed to trap only the sulfates from the wine, but nothing else. Üllo is also made to give you the option to aerate your wine. The contents include a box, the purifier device, purifier rubber display case, filters, a microfiber carrying bag, and an instruction booklet.
So in order to use the Üllo Wine Purifier, you're going to take your thumbs and push down on the top in order to open it up. Once it's open, you're going to take one of the filters and put it inside. Close up the wine purifier and put it on top of a wine glass. Then all you need to do is to take some wine and pour it through and wait for the wine to come completely through the filter and the wine purifier. Then you just take the purifier off and you're good to go.
And it's that simple.
Now, since they've sent us the product, we've actually had a chance to use it on a couple of bottles of wine. So let's talk about our pros and cons to the Üllo Wine Purifier.
But wait! If you like what you see so far, consider subscribing. We post weekly tips and tricks for any level of wino to enjoy the world of wine.
And if you have a product that you want us to try or review, let us know in the comments below. So first, let's start off with some pros about this product.
So the first thing we notice is that it really made the wine taste smoother and softer, especially in less expensive wine.
Another thing that we really like about the Üllo Wine Purifier is that it's made out of really good materials. It's really solid and you can tell that it's quality made. And it's easy to clean. You just take it apart and rinse it under the sink. It's that easy.
Another thing we really like is the packaging. It's super trendy and modern.
Which makes it a really good idea, especially if you have a wino in the family, as a possible gift idea for the holidays. Another nice thing about the Üllo Wine Purifier is that it comes with this rubber tray to set it in once you're all finished using it. And that's a really good thing because the wine purifier can tend to leak a little bit once you're all finished with it. So you can put it in here and then you're good to go.
Another thing we like is that it comes with a travel case. So if you're going to your friends or family member's house, it's perfect for that, and that's a great option. We also like that it has the option to aerate or not aerate. So you can still remove the sulfites, but you can have the option to have an aerator or not have an aerator.
And it's actually a really good aerator too, from what we've noticed. And last, it's been really fun with this product to try it with our favorite wines and see how do they compare with sulfites as compared to without sulfites.
And we've noticed a significant difference.
So if you're a wine nerd, or if you know a wino out there that really would like to try and experiment with wine, this may be a good product for you. So next, let's talk about some cons with the product. The first con specifically being that it's kind of expensive. And not even just the product itself, but more the filters. So one filter is good for about 1 bottle of wine. So if you drink quite a bit of wine, or if you drink wine somewhat frequently, it can add up pretty quick.
Now in our experience, it didn't totally eliminate a headache for us. However, there are many testimonials stating that it does work. So you'll just have to try it out for yourself and see if it works.
And last, we wouldn't recommend using this product with sparkling wine or an aged or more expensive bottle of wine. With aged and more expensive bottle of wine, you just want to drink that the way it is and kind of enjoy it with the taste that it has. And with the sparkling bottle of wine, it kind of gets all clogged up in the filter and it takes some of the carbonation out of it, so we wouldn't recommend using it with that.
And that's everything you need to know about sulfites in our review of the Üllo Wine Purifier.
And if you want to try it, we'll leave an Amazon affiliate link down in the description for you to check it out. Have you tried this product before? Comment below and let us know your honest opinion.
We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.
Cheers.